In this video, I'm going to show you how to download GK61 keyboard software. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to HK Gaming's official website because, of course, they're the manufacturer of the GK61. And then here you want to go to download up top. And it's going to show you a bunch of downloads, and here it says software for GK series, and this is for GK61 over here. So as you can see, this is for these keyboards, and then if you have any of these serial numbers over here, you have to download this one. So for example, for just GK61, you can just click on download over here, and it's going to download a software. If you have any of these serial numbers, click on download over here, and it's going to download that software, or you can just download it over here if you have the GK61 SE, and it's going to download onto your computer. Now, of course, it doesn't matter which one you downloaded, and of course, if you downloaded the correct one, you simply have to double click on the one you downloaded, and then it's going to basically allow you to install it onto your computer. Should be pretty easy and quick, and then you have yourself your new G61 keyboard software on your computer. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.